Hello, islanders and global viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support, and new viewers, welcome. Today we'll be making for you salmon from the canned salmon with cream sweet potato. It promises to be delicious. Stay with me. Okay guys, here's the sweet potato that we'll be going with our pink salmon. It's already boiling here with a little Irish potato as well. Okay, we're gonna cream that and serve it with our canned salmon. Over here are our seasonings and all the ingredients that we're going to be using with this canned salmon, right? We in Jamaica like to say tin. We say tin salmon, but more universally people say canned salmon. We have some mayonnaise, bell pepper, green bell pepper, a purple onion, tomato, and a yellow bell pepper or sweet pepper as well. And we're going to put a little dash of this barbecue sauce in it as well, right? Stay with me. Okay guys, let's start preparing these seasoning now. Start with the onion. Good. Then our tomato. Great, fabulous. Now the yellow bell pepper, I don't need a whole one, just using a half. Here we go now with the green ones. And get some of these off the plate. Gently. I have so much on this board, so clearing a little space. Likewise, we're going to use a half of this bell pepper because it's really large. Wow, this bell pepper is looking quite large. Even a half is large, yes. Let's sit on our plate now. And guys, when you really haven't got much time, it's so comforting to be able to just open a can of something and know that a meal is ready. You know what I mean? So this canned salmon, another easy and quick way out for dinner when you're in a hurry, or you just have a fast upbeat lifestyle. Here we are, our veggies are ready now. I'm going to head on over to the pot. Okay guys, I'm just gonna check on the sweet potato, see if it's ready, and the Irish potato as well. A little fork test there. Oh yeah, they are tender, ready. I'm gonna turn off the stove now and move on to doing Frying up my pink salmon. Okay guys, this saucepan is preheated and I'm going to just add a little bit of oil in it. 2 tablespoons, that will be enough to just saute the veggies. This oil is fairly warm now. We're gonna add our veggies. Don't want any big frying and splashing, yeah. Alright. Just sauteing these veggies lightly. Oh, I wanted some garlic in this, but I forgot to chop the garlic, so what I'm gonna do is just add some from the refrigerator. This is the garlic we're going to add. It's in olive oil and it has a good little flavor. I kind of like vinegar also, so it will do well in this recipe. About a tablespoon. Great. Awesome. This smells so good. Look at those colors, guys. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. Come look at this. Come look at this. Look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, great. Now we're going to open our can. Pour off the water and add it here. Oh, yeah. Nice and chunky. And just break it apart a little bit. You're not going to break it up too much. You want to have them in chunks. Because these are in some really large pieces, you can just break it up a little bit as you wish. Good. Awesome. Cut these chunks. Great. That's it now. Just get all those juices into this salmon here now. Wow, this is it, guys. This is it. Smelling so awesome and looking so good. Warming up nicely. Don't want to overcook our veggies, so we're just turning them around quickly so that the salmon can get most of the heat at this time. So barbecue sauce, add in a little bit, maybe a tablespoon because we don't want to get all too rough like a red sauce. We just add in enough for a little flavor. Add in some mayonnaise. Whoa. A little crushed red pepper. We love pepper here in the Caribbean. Caribbean people, Latin American people really love spicy food. Great. Wow. That's a nice gentle little toss. So we want to keep those nice chunks in it to see them on our plate. Just a little toss. Like that. Awesome. How do we look, guys? How are we looking here? Talk to me. Let me know in the comments if you are liking what you're seeing. And just like that, dinner is ready. Well, almost ready. The black pepper, don't use the black pepper. Add some red pepper, but we're still adding a little bit of black pepper. Yes, whoa. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Look at the colors. Okay, guys, let's cream this sweet potato and Irish potato now. Like you see, it's all I'm gonna add to this is some butter. Yes, it's about a tablespoon of butter and some oregano. Okay, now oregano has a particularly strong flavor, I do like it, so I tend to add it to most of my dishes that I prepare. But if you don't quite like that taste or you're not used to it, you go light on it until you're sure you like that taste. All right, I'm just gonna mash this together now. All right. Wow, this promises to be very tasty. And of course, you mash it to the extent that you want. If you want it really creamy, really smooth, you can do that. But otherwise, you can just do it lightly if you want more of the chunks to be in your meal. Okay. All right, I'm doing an in-between style. Not too creamy, but not too chunky either. All right. This out, and I'm preparing now to serve this up. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this salmon or canned or tin salmon on a little bit of lettuce. Okay guys, it's time to plate this lovely meal for you. Here we go. Putting this down on some lettuce. We have our sweet potato here. That's it. All right. Put some tomatoes around this now. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Looking all beautiful. Yes, awesome. Good. We're gonna just put our salmon over this now. Our canned salmon. Awesome. Look at this. Whoa, guys. Whoa, whoa. Awesome. So smells so good, and you can still see the chunks of the salmon, like I said, because we didn't squash them out. That's it, guys. Don't want to overload this lettuce bed, but we do want some more. We want some more on that plate. There's some more of this salmon and thing on it. Awesome. There we go. Look at that. Do you see that steam coming up? Awesome sauce. Garnish lastly with a little parsley. Just a little bit of parsley around the plate. You know, that just makes it look so much more delicious. And giving you that dining out experience while you're dining in at home. Yes, guys. How about a little sauce? Let's save that sauce for our final view. Now, if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.